Welcome to Raigurukul.com. Today we are diving into the Iterations Burnup Chart, a powerful feature in Rally Agile Tool that helps team visualize progress and predict whether they will meet their iterations goal. If you want to level up your Agile skills and boost your team's performance, stick around till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content every day. Have you ever struggled to understand how much work has been delivered during an agile sprint by your team? If yes, the iteration burnup chart is your solutions. First of all, what is burnup chart? Burnup chart tracks completed work against the total scope. It helps team to visualize progress, identify potential scope creep, proactively manage risk. Question is for you. Have you ever used a Burnup chart before? Drop your answers in the comment below. Now, the point is, why is it important? Wouldn't be great to spot delays before the end of sprint? With this chart, we can identify blockers early, adjust team's velocity, communicate progress to stakeholders. Now, let's take an example. If your team commits to delivering 20 user story by mid iterations, you have only completed 5. The chart highlights this gap, allowing you to relocate resources or negotiate the scope. Now, the quick question is, what is your biggest challenge in tracking sprint progress? Share in the comment. We'll be happy to review it. Or if I found anything, I will share with you as well, where we can create engaging discussions. So whenever our other viewers will be watching, you can see getting benefited to them. Let me show you how we can achieve it in Rally or see Agile Central. To start with this, you have to navigate it to reports, and from here you can just click on iterations burnup. If you have any data, definitely you'll see it here, but this project does not have anything. Let me show you for other projects. Here we have selected for iterations 2. This is my iteration 1. It was going steady. There's a no ups and downs curves. Let me see for other projects. We didn't have anything in this. In this project, we have iterations 2 and iteration 1. As of now, normally, whatever the accepted points or scope, whatever we have discussed, it will be getting generated. This is for iteration 2 and this one is for iteration 1. If you see any crap, you can immediately have a look on it. So this x-axis contains your scope and y-axis will be your accepted points. If you see any differences, you can immediately get notified and your end users will get alerts or actioners will get alerts how effectively they can achieve it by fast tracking their work. So that's it about the iteration burnup chart. It's a game changer for agile teams. Stay on track and deliver efficiently. At any point of time, if you have iteration burnup, you can just go to the filter and inside the filter, change your iterations, and that's where your reports will be generated. We don't have to do much. That's where we can see the project progress as well. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more agile tips and tricks. If you wanted to learn more about Rally, I've already included the URL in descriptions. Feel free to refer the complete playlist. And let me know in comments which agile tools you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you.